Along with the next generation foldable devices Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series is anticipated to debut in August. In the coming days, the company is anticipated to officially announce the Unpacked event date. This time around, the Galaxy Watch 5 series is expected to include the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, while omitting the Galaxy Watch 5 Classic. Recently, Samsung accidentally posted support pages for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro 45mm, as well as the 40mm and 44mm models of the Galaxy Watch 5. The MSR 925F Watch 5 Pro, MSR 905F Watch 540mm, and the MSR 915F Watch 5 44mm support pages were listed. Up until yesterday late at night, the pages could be accessed in a few European nations, including Denmark, Belgium, and Norway. Samsung, however, removed these pages after knowing about them on Twitter. Although these support landing pages don't yet contain any actual information, there are many rumors about these upcoming Samsung smartwatches, as a result of numerous leaks from reliable sources. Leaked detailed renderings of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and Watch 5 showed that the Pro version would have a sapphire glass display, although it is unlikely that any of the leaked smartwatches will have a rotating bezel. It cannot be completely ruled out either. After all, one of Samsung's most recognizable design features for its smartwatches has always been the rotating bezel. The Galaxy Watch 5 series is anticipated to be unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event in August, which according to rumors is scheduled for August 10th worldwide. It is likely to be displayed in India after the Galaxy S23 series is introduced. Reliable sources have reported that the 40mm Galaxy Watch 5 should start at $300 for the non-LTE version, and $350 for the LTE version in terms of pricing. Price points for the larger 44mm should begin at $350 for non-LTE models, and $400 for LTE models. Only the 45mm option of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be offered, with prices starting at $490 for the non-LTE version and $540 for the LTE version. Of course, for all the latest content on the Galaxy Watch 5, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.